Jackie Tranquita, and we're behind the scenes at New York's Institute of Culinary Education for the first ever Cabin Pressure Cook-Off.
Take one.
The rules are simple. 4 chefs, 3 challenges. In each round, 1 chef will be named the winner, but 1 chef will be eliminated, and the chef who wins the final challenge will join Delta's elite culinary team.
I would want passengers to rethink that airplane food actually should be excellent. I want them to be surprised and delighted, and I want them to taste a chef's identity through their food.
Come this way.
We're going to cook great food that people will enjoy, thousands and thousands of feet off the ground.
You have 45 minutes, chefs. You're now free to move about the kitchen.
So at Food & Wine, we're really excited about being able to help find the new Delta chef. And because we're starting with all Food & Wine Best New Chefs, we know they're all winners. So it's going to be a really tough competition today.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands in the air. To find out who wins, watch online at foodandwine.com/cabinpressurecookoff.